It's Friday, payday in America, fast running independent day and aggressive yuppie day. Let's get to it. And it looks like on payday America, people are buying cryptocurrency. Yes, we are opening up Friday after the holiday with a crypto explosion. Let me know in the comments what type of conversations you had with your family about crypto. I love to hear these funny stories, man. But in the midst of everything that has happened with Binance, we're starting to see the cryptocurrency market turn a new leaf. And maybe that's what we needed, family. We needed to finally get that dark cloud over the cryptocurrency space, and now we're starting to see regulation warm up to the crypto market. Now don't get me wrong, it's still the wild west. It's still a lot of negative things that happen, scams, frauds, we get it. But for the most part, the market seems to be cleaning itself up as we, take the next step to a massive adoption, man. So I've been rolling around the Discord, rolling around the Patreon. You feel me? Like I said, I'm trying to be a little less degent on the page. So definitely check out those links in the description. And don't get me wrong. I know I said that like 3 or 4 times, but I will be dropping altcoin gems still on the channel. All right, don't get it messed up. All right, Millie ain't going nowhere. Millie ain't changing, but we gotta tighten a few things up. But at the end of the day, we are seeing some nice moves from cryptocurrencies, right? Some nice moves from cryptocurrencies. I do this every day, 146 days into the next Bitcoin halving cycle. So we're going to do the countdown every day, family, to just prepare you guys and remind you guys that we are one step closer to life-changing wealth. I'm starting to see meme coins go crazy, gaming tokens starting to pick back up, AI, RWOAs. Relio has been a beast since tapping 13 cents. So again, if you want this knowledge, you want this alpha, join some of the groups that we have across the community right now. It's the Discord and also the Patreon. But let's talk about the macro environment, man, because there's not much news going into cryptocurrency. You can see here, of course, we got BlackRock trying to take over the cryptocurrency space. Even stocks were rallying, as you can see, stocks opening up in the green. Everything is green today, right? We also got the potential Bitcoin spot ETFs that could, bring in trillions and billions of dollars of inflows of liquidity into the cryptocurrency space. So a lot to look forward to, right? And taking a look at some of the stats, the facts, in the charts, the DXY on the weekly, as you can see, has lost strength. And I'm gonna be completely honest with you guys, man. We need a lower low here. It would be nice. It's nice that it didn't, break here, but we need a lower low, because if it's a a higher low, then the DXY could be potentially looking to continue an uptrend, right? Reversal pattern back to the upside. And we want to see the DXY go down. We need that thing down under 100 to confirm that we are in a bullish environment in totality. I think that's what we need. The more that pressure is being put upon the DXY and the US dollar, the more we will see cryptocurrency grow. It's usually an inverted chart here. Taking a look at some of the weekly charts, you can see back to the tether dominance on the weekly, fully capitulated, broke the uptrend. We love to see that people are starting to put those stable coins inside cryptocurrencies or even yield bearing tokens, looking to earn that interest and passive income here. So just the stats and the facts tell us that we are bullish, but I would be cautious on the weekly. I'm seeing a little bit of a bearishness on the weekly. You can see these wick candles here showing that we are losing strength. It's good that the wick candles are to the downside. Bears, man, bears. They've been getting wrecked lately, but we are to that point where we are overbought on Bitcoin, right? Overbought on Bitcoin, overbought on Ethereum, overbought on the total altcoin market, just across the weekly, overbought. And not to add, family, if we go back to coin market cap here, the fear and greed index is sitting at 72, so it's pretty high. So be cautious, because a lot of people have been looking to take profits, kind of anticipating a major move to the downside because we've pumped so much, and it's crossed my mind as well, because and not per se my long-term holds, but just some of the ones that I look at as short-term plays to really maybe find that window or opportunity to take those profits. Because if you've been embedded into cryptocurrency for the last a year and 6 months, I mean, we've seen some pretty insane gains. You know, of course, we've been holding it throughout this whole time, but we've been seeing some pretty insane gains. So I know for the people that was buying like myself back there in June 2022, I mean, you're up massively, right? And even if you bought at the top of the year, these AI coins, these gaming coins, and even the meme coin rally we've seen at the top of the year, you probably still up massive. So be aware of the fear and greed index. I know a lot of people are even calling for another crash. I know when I check the sentiment across the community in the Discord, people want another crash. People want an opportunity, another opportunity to really fill up their bags. Usually crypto does the complete opposite, right? But just keeping that in the back of our minds. We did see Bitcoin here tap 38K once again and get rejected. And it's good to see Ethereum break 2100. So ETH has been rolling. The ETH and Bitcoin pair actually has put in a reversal. Let me see if I can actually find it, guys. Right here, you can see it's looking to put in a reversal since the downtrend. The stock RSI also has bullish momentum here. So maybe that's why we're starting to see ETH finally move to the upside. Not much has changed on my let me go to my altcoin list here for the people in the back. Not much has changed. We do have to replace a Tor. So a Tor was a cornerstone of my super degen bag. We're looking to replace a Tor. Maybe it goes down lower and there's opportunity there. As I said in my previous videos, I did get stopped out of a Tor at around 77 cents. So didn't lose much with a Tor. A few you'll probably seen a few new names. If you're in the Patreon, you know what these cryptocurrencies are because we've been doing extremely well. Onino has been a monster, right? 5 cent to almost 38 cent. Man, a lot of people overlook this project, but this project has been a monster. We know Neo Tokyo has been moving gaming tokens. Miria, man, I need to move Miria. In fact, we're going to change Miria's color to green because that has been a top performer here in our portfolio. We did add what do you meme. I'm very interested in launch pads, and there is a few other launch pads that I'm looking at. We'll talk about that again in the Patreon. A lot of that Degen stuff, but it's a man. I got some plays, man. I got some plays that are really look promising. Look promising. So I'm excited on where we can possibly go with our portfolio. Rio has been awesome, man. Awesome. I think Rio, I want to confirm it here and say it is the top, right? The top RWA token in the space. Okay, so I did add to my bag here, but I don't want to put it up here. So I guess I'll put it right here. So we did add Leo X here. And that's a new one, so we'll actually, I hate the red color, it makes it looks bad, so we'll turn that Carolina blue here. We did add Leo. I got a bag of Galileo Protocol. So I stealth bought that, didn't tell anybody about that, but I am in Galileo Protocol now. Looking for so what I was thinking is, since I had my RWA bag on my BNB side, which was real, I wanted to get an RWA token on my ERC20 side, so I decided to go with Galileo Protocol, aka Leo X. But I want, man, it's a couple cryptocurrencies that we're up pretty nice on that I haven't shared yet with the community. Just looking on, doing more research and holding them. Don't want to spring anything upon anybody without proper research here. So yeah, I'm just excited. PAL AI did take a dip, so if you were looking for your opportunity or entry points in the PAL AI, this week might be that week. RVF took a little dip here. The Tau ecosystem has been amazing, man. We've been talking about that in the Patreon and what we're doing with the Tau ecosystem. I'm doing some pretty interesting things with the Tau ecosystem, so y'all got to keep up with that. BitRock did dip as well, and CDT checked out a little bit of dip, but Tectum has been massive as of late, so keep an eye on that. And I've been going back and forth with Sophiaverse. I wanted to have exposure to the Singularity AGIX ecosystem, but I'm trying to stay bullish here on Sophia Verse. We don't know if we want to. We still holding it, but we don't know what from here on out what we're choosing to do with that project. Um, Excuse me, my computer likes to do what it wants to do sometimes. Robit, I've been looking at Robit, Dinero, that whole GambleFi narrative there. Still holding dubs. So yeah, for the most part, like I said, I don't hold all of these. Like I don't hold Joystream. Um, was in and out of Dion Protocol. Don't hold high low, but these are also good projects. And even if again, don't just ape into a project, do your research, kind of like look around the narrative because some of these projects may have already pumped, but you can find something similar under the same narrative with a bullish team, with bullish potential, and with bullish tokenomics. So always do your due diligence, not just per se on the project, but within the narrative, and that's what helps me out with some of my research. So we're also we'll be tracking again this week the influencer wallets like Elliott Trades and Alex Becker, giving you guys a few more, much more knowledge on what's going on in the gaming sector because we know gaming cryptocurrencies have been a beast. Plays that rebounded well. Like I said, we talked about Myria compete. So yeah, that's all I have. This is just an update of my portfolio macro environment. I won't be able to really get another video in, so I just figured I fit it all into one video. Hopefully you guys can appreciate that. And this is what we're looking at as far as the cryptocurrency. Again, make sure you have your narratives lined up. This is pretty much what I look to invest in as far as narratives and family. That's it. So y'all let me know what y'all think about the macro environment, what's going on in crypto, and how you choose to build your portfolio. I would love to know you guys' strategies and how you are personally building your portfolio. Let me know inside the comments. That's how I know you watched the video to the end. It's your boy Crypto Millie. I'll see you in the next one.